Tips for new home buyers. This is Lucella, your licensed broker and appraiser. Number 1 is know your needs. Kung ano ba kailangan ninyo na bahay, 2-story ba, may garage ba, at ilang rooms ba ang kailangan mo. Number 2 is you consider your budget. Make sure na ma-approve ka sa financing, either Pag-ibig or bank financing or sa in-house financing. If you want less hassle, go for the in-house financing. Kaya lang, medyo mataas yung rate doon sa in-house financing. Number 3 is find a licensed real estate broker na tutulong sa'yo para sa mga documents na kailangan mo para sa approval ng housing loan mo. Number 4 is match your needs. Ano bang property or house ang gusto mo? Saan bang location? Ano bang malapit? Sa school ba? Sa hospital ba? Or sa public market ba? Malapit ba sa pinagtatrabahoan nyo na company? And number 5 is save for your monthly bills. Kasi kahit na-approve ka na sa bank at saka naka-move in ka na sa bahay mo, hindi natatapos ang responsibilidad mo as buyer. You have monthly bills due for your like electricity, water. So that's it. And if you want more real estate tips, you can comment down and we will tackle that on our next video. Thank you and God bless.